Alrighty, just pulled it in the driveway, and I believe I run it right out of wood, I'm not sure. We'll have a boo in here and see. Yep. Put that there. Hopefully. Oh, I should be able to see pretty good now. Okay. Well, that's it there. That's the end of today's run. And I'll go back here where I got a little more light now. As you happened on the last video, here's the wood I picked up today. That's the remnants of yesterday's or whatever. My headlight went out. Sucked. Had to drive on the way home all dark. So that's it.